Off now? Whoa, Joey, too much. Nuh-uh, don't get Daddy wet, just the car.
The car, that's it.
You watering the flowers? Don't water Mommy, keep it over there.
We can run quick.
Oh, thank you. Good job. Get the car.
Tell them to come do the tire.
Come do the tire. Joey, you gotta rinse the tire over here. Come here.
And much bottle.
How much?
Raining.
It's raining? Where's your umbrella?